Hello friends. So in this video we are going to learn about the electric charge. So what is electric charge? The complete information from basic we are going to discuss in a very proper manner. So I will request you all to watch this video till the end because this video is going to be very informative for you guys. So another thing is that if you are firstly visiting this channel, then I will request you to subscribe and share this video as much as possible with your friends because this video is going to be very important for you guys. So before going to know about the concept of electric charge, we must have some basic knowledge about the atom. So what is an atom? So an atom consists of a nucleus at its center and electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path. Here you can see in the image also the atom is consisting of nucleus at its center and electrons are revolving in a circular path. So here the nucleus contains two things. The first one, that is the neutron, and the second one, that is the proton. So neutron is the neutral, and the proton is considered as a positive charge. And here you can see in the image that electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Here the electrons will be considered as the negative charge. Okay, so there are two types of charges are available. The first one, that is a positive charge, and the second one, that is negative charge. Okay, so here electron is the negative charge and the proton is the positive charge, and here neutron is neutral. Okay, so then what is electric charge? So electric charge is an inherent property of a matter due to lose or gain of electrons from an atom. That means it is saying that if an atom loses the electron, then it will become the positive charged atom, because here the deficiency of electron will be seen, and if an atom gains the electron, then it will become the negatively charged atom, because the amount of electron will be excess in that atom. So there are two types of atoms are available. The first one, that is a positively charged atom. If an atom loses the electron, then it will become the positively charged atom. If an atom gains the electron, then it will become negatively charged atom. Okay, so these are the atoms. It's all about the electric charge, and the charge is having the unit, that is coulomb. So coulomb is the unit for the electric charge. So it's all about the basic concept of electric charge, how the atom consisting of the charges and how it is transferring from one body to another body by gaining or by losing the electrons. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys.